In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect social accounts in HubSpot. To do that, first head over right here into your actual HubSpot and click onto the marketing. Now locate the social option and from in there, locate the settings. In here, you can see the option to connect accounts. So click onto this connect. Choose right here the network or social account that you wish to connect. On this case, let's choose our actual YouTube. Click on this and it will open right here this sidebar. Let's head over and connect our YouTube right there by choosing our Google account. You can also connect other social media options like Facebook, as well as Instagram, X, and likes. Click on continue in order to sign in, and from in there, this will prompt the connection of this. Select in here what it can access. Click on continue, and then it will open this. Just wait for this, and if everything is as usual or going as usual, it should be able to be connected. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.